I'm going to make bottle gourd peanut curry.
For that, heat a pan on low flame and add 1/4 cup raw peanuts. Then dry roast well until the peanut turns in light brown color. After 7 minutes, the peanut roasted well. Then transfer to other plate and wait until it get cool. Heat a same pan on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon sesame seeds and dry roast well until it change in color. Now sesame seeds are roasted well. Let's wait until it gets cool. Once it's cooled down completely, remove the peanut skin.
Take a blender and add roasted peanut and roasted sesame seeds. Then grind into a powder and keep it aside. Dice the bottle gourd into small cubes and make it ready for cooking.
Let's start the process. Heat a pressure cooker with 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon jeera. Then chopped green chili. Then add crushed garlic and saute them well. Followed by add chopped onions and few curry leaves. Then required amount of salt. Saute them well until the onions turn golden brown. After 5 minutes, the onion turned golden brown. After that, add chopped tomatoes. Then saute them well until the tomatoes cook softly. After few minutes, the onion tomato masala is ready. Let's add the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder because I already used green chilies. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. Then add 2 tablespoons coriander powder. Saute them well until the masala raw smell goes away. After 2 minutes, the masala cooked well. At this stage, add chopped bottle gourd. Then saute them well. Now you can see the bottle gourd well coated with the masala. At this time, add 2 cups of water. There is a small tip, don't add too much water because the bottle gourd itself contains more water. Once the water started boiling, cover the pressure cooker and cook for 2 whistles or until it becomes soft. After 2 whistles, you can see the bottle gourd cooked well. Finally, add roasted peanut and sesame powder and mix it well and cook for few more minutes. The powder also cooked well in the curry. Then add coriander leaves and mix well and switch off the flame. Protein rich bottle gourd peanut curry is ready. You can enjoy with rice or roti. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.